Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As usual, it is a pleasure to have you here joining me for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I revert this super dirty, super expired straight hair back to my curly hair. I am pretty excited because I've had my hair straight for a few weeks now and it's just sort of getting to that point where it's not really cute to me anymore. I usually straighten my hair every so often. For this particular period, it had been about 6 months since I straightened my hair. I do like to occasionally straighten my hair just so I can monitor my growth and to really get a proper trim. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I get my curls to revert back, stick around and keep watching this video. So guys, I'm going to be going in with my rat tail comb to start, and I'm just going to be kind of combing out this dandruff that you're seeing here in my scalp. It's really gross, and I start by teasing and moving around that dandruff a little bit and breaking that down so that once I go in with my shampoo, that dirt and that dandruff is just going to come right out. Otherwise, if I don't do this step, I just get a really flaky scalp after I cleanse, and I just don't want that. Next, I'll be going in with my wide tooth comb through the length of my hair to make sure that I don't have any tangles as a result of the rat tail comb and the whole scalp thing that we did earlier. So now I like to go back into my hair with some oils. I like organic coconut oil and this natural hipster scalp oil. The natural hipster oil combines really well with the coconut oil. It contains peppermint, rosemary, tea tree, frankincense, sandalwood, flaxseed oil, castor oil, and a couple other oils as well. But I just really like this oil. It feels so good on my scalp, and it just combines really well with the coconut oil, and this is going to really help bring my curls back to life. So as you guys can see, I am really working all of that product throughout every strand of my hair. I want to make sure that I'm saturating my hair in this oil so that I get the absolute best results. And you guys know I was not about to let any of this oil go to waste. Now I'm going to be going in with the Amira CBD Scalp Therapy for a nourishing CBD scalp massage. I am a huge fan of this line and these products. This will be my first time trying this particular Amira product, but so far it is not disappointing. It smells great and it feels pretty great too. And if you guys are interested in trying out this Amira CBD scalp treatment or the natural hipster scalp oil, I will have some discount codes for you guys in the description box down below. So now that I have my pre-poo applied, I'm just gonna let this sit and cook for about a half hour, and I'll return and rinse out after. So I'm back and I'm just rinsing my hair with a little bit of water before I go in with my first shampoo. And of course I'm detangling to make sure I have no knots. For my first wash, I'm going to be going in with this Garnier Whole Blends Moroccan and Camellia Oil Shampoo. I'm a huge fan of this formula. It smells really nice, and it just leaves my hair nice and shiny and clean without stripping it. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this shampoo. For my second shampoo, I'll be using my Lush Curls shampoo. I really like this formula. It's sulfate free and it's pretty moisturizing. And when I'm reverting back to curls, I like to go back in with moisturizing shampoos because it just helps to get my curls to pop again. For today's deep conditioner, I'll be using my Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind. Y'all, this hair mask is the truth. Like, you really don't need a lot to get the job done. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but when I tell you guys, it's 100% worth it. I really think this might be my new favorite hair mask slash deep conditioner. It's really that great. And as you guys can see here with this mask, I'm really taking the time to work as much of this product throughout every bit of my hair so that we can really bring these curls back to planet Earth. Okay? And as you guys can see, my springs and my coils are, they're coming back. They're coming back. So now that my mask is fully distributed throughout my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and allow it to work its magic and kick back for about an hour or so, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, so I am back and I went ahead and rinsed out the hair mask and added my usual wash and go products. I will add that in the card so that you guys can see what I use in terms of products. But yeah, guys, that is basically it. This is what my curls are looking like. My hair is still a little bit damp, but I think I got a pretty good bounce back from this routine. Make sure you guys let me know down in the comments what you thought about this video, and I'll be seeing you guys super soon. Bye-bye.